Today's episode is brought to you by Trash and Treasures Antiques, found in Aurora, Oregon. Here you can find a wide variety of antiques and collectibles.
That's cool.
Including our favorite decades, the 80s and the 90s, as you can see with these denim jackets and tape cassettes.
Open. That sign's cool.
You can find Lego, Transformers, old toys like that, and handcrafted items from local artisans.
Oh, damn. That's cool. Okay.
Visit them on Highway 99 east of Woodburn. Hello, beautiful bonsaiers. Today I got something special going on. Went up to Aurora. Cancel out something. All right. Went up to Aurora to a beautiful place called Trash and Treasure, and they blessed me. Kim Cabral blessed me with a bonsai pot that I've got to restore a little bit because there's a crack going all the way down this area, and it looks like it goes across the bottom as well. So I'm actually dealing with two cracks possibly. Well, it's actually a generic pot that's mass produced over in Japan. It is made in Japan. And what we are going to do is we're going to repair it. We're going to put a bonsai in it. Well, I'm going to make a bonsai and put it in. And then it will be available to buy up at Trash and Treasure. All right, so let's go ahead and... Oh, I also got this djembe that I will be restoring. It's pretty old. It's got a lot of old cotton cord. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually replace it with 550 cord. And I already got some new fabric to weave, or not to weave, well, I mean to wrap around the iron rings. It's I actually have Tanzanian blood in me, and so I bought some Tanzanian tapestry fabrics, textiles, and I'm actually wrap those with that, very colorful. Then I'm going to, because the wood is damaged quite a bit, I'm going to repair it and fill it in, smooth it out, and I'm going to do some Tanzanian artwork on it. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, right now, let's go ahead and fix this pot. Only took half a day and a million issues. All right, let's stand on there. The crack does not go all the way down. That's how I got. And we're back. All right, so there's a chip up here, so I'm going to have to fill in the gap a little bit and do that. Let's do the old baking powder trick. Oh, then suddenly the sun's coming out. All right. Should be baking soda, but baking powder works just as, I mean, it's a little slower to soak, but it works just as good. And baking powder has a slight moldable capability before it dries. So it suddenly got very bright out. That is not cool. I'm just letting the CA glue slide down. And so what's going to happen with this baking powder is that it's actually going to harden up as a, basically becomes a plastic all of its own. Do not want that. But especially since I've got razors right here. edge. It's got a bit of a concave to it, so not able to get all the glue easily. But we will scrape it off. There we go. All right, that looks nice. Clean up this side. Now for the excess that I got on the front of the pot. Looks like some paint was accidentally pushed onto this thing. It's covering, somebody cleaned it up a little bit, but looks like it's become part of the pot's original theme now. Not unless I can handle it. Yeah. What's nice is you can use scraping tools and stuff to get this stuff off, but pots are generally really porous, so there's still a slight image. But what's weird is the paint looks more like clouds over the artwork. You know what? I'm not going to deal with that much. It's going to be a free pot. Still looks nice. Oh, wait. Get all this stuff off the edge. Sure, the edge, it'll just roll right off. Just don't want it to look like it was actual paint that was dripped on. Alright. Now that I'm thoroughly messy, put those back. Put that back. Put that back. Put those back in the house before my wife kills me. Alright, now let's see what we're going to do with this. Well, I lost audio in this somehow, so I guess I'm going to have to do a little voiceover. Well, so this is a pen that a paint pen that is supposed to be gold. I have a real one that does actual 18 karat gold leafing, but I couldn't find it, and I went to use this one, and it was horrible. It didn't work. It was too dried up and stuff, so I'm not going to waste your time with this, and I'm just going to cut to the paint, the last option. Here we go with the gold foil looking paint, and well,
we're gonna go ahead and splash this on, and while you're watching, I guess I'm gonna put on some music, nice and low, so maybe you'll fall asleep. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's go. And I guess that brings us to the end where I show you. I cut a large chunk of me just painting down the last of it. It took super long to do just that little bit because I didn't want to get paint on the actual ceramic and only on the repair. So this is the finished product, and well, wait till the next episode when I put something in it.